Hi, I'm Hallie.
And I'm Dakota, and we are the Out-of-Staters.
Before we talk about reflector antennas, we must talk about the difference between sound waves and electromagnetic waves.
Sound waves are a form of mechanical waves that are longitudinal and can be described as a mechanical disturbance that passes through a medium such as gas, liquid, or solids in a form of vibrations to become sounds.
Longitudinal waves are waves that have the same direction of travel as they do direction of vibration.
Electromagnetic waves, like light waves, are transverse waves that travel the path of electromagnetic radiation, which is a form of energy that is emitted and absorbed by charged particles.
Transverse waves are moving waves that consist of oscillations perpendicular to the direction of the energy transfer.
The whisper dishes are parabolic dishes, meaning they are curved in the shape of a parabola. Parabola-shaped dishes collect, focus, and amplify wave signals, including light waves, radio waves, and sound waves. The circle at the center of the dish is the focal point.
In order for whisper dishes to work, there must be two reflector antennas and they must be perfectly parallel and facing each other.
One will act as a transmitter and one will act as a receiver, although it can be interchangeable.
Both can act as either.
When a person whispers into one of the dishes, the human acts as the feed horn of the transmitter dish by producing the sound waves.
The transmitter dish collects the sound waves and transmits them towards the receiver dish.
The receiver dish then focuses the sound waves and amplifies the whisperer's voice so that it sounds like the whisperer is speaking at a regular volume from a number of meters away.
Here you see a satellite dish, also known as a reflector antenna, whose main purpose is to collect, focus, and amplify electromagnetic waves. In order for a satellite dish to work, there is a three-party system involved.
There is the broadcaster, the satellite, and the satellite dish.
The broadcaster sends the electromagnetic signal to the satellite, which is orbiting the Earth in space.
The satellite then receives the signal and transmits it towards the satellite dish.
As the electromagnetic waves get further from the satellite, they start to weaken.
The reflector antenna, or satellite dish, amplifies the signal towards the feed horn, which reduces the frequency so that it can travel through a cable and gives us television.
This plays a large role in wireless communication because a signal can very quickly be transmitted over thousands of miles.
The difference between the whisper dishes and a satellite dish is that the whisper dishes work together both as transmitters and receivers to collect, focus, and amplify sound waves, whereas a satellite dish relies on a satellite to transmit electromagnetic waves, allowing it to collect, focus, and amplify.